Told you guys I will sit here and I will work and nothing. I waited 10-15 minutes, got nothing, but we have something going on in the background. I'm exporting my second video because sometimes I accidentally stop recording, then I have to mix two videos together, and then I put a red bar on it to match the color today. Today's thumbnails are going to be red, so we're going to stick to the branding. Once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and upload it. Now I'm going to drive home while the video is exporting. We're gonna leave this on so we can take advantage of Prop 22, right? I'm driving, I'm looking for work, I'm not doing anything wrong. If I get something, I'll let you know. If I don't get anything, as soon as this video is done exporting, then I will go ahead and upload it, and then I'll do the next one. And I'll keep doing this until I get home. I'll work on my YouTube channel. I'll give Uber 5-10 minutes to give me a ride. I'll work on my YouTube channel, and I know because of destination mode it's not going to give it to me, but it's all good. This is the Pakistani way of driving. I hope you like the way Pakistani people drive. There is a red light, and the street's name is Dickens Street. Why do they have streets named Dick? Why are people named Dick? Please let me know in the comments. If your name is Dick, let me know. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do people make fun of you? Because look, this Uber driver is not making fun of you. I'm just sitting here, I'm exporting, and I was just thinking out loud, you know, like the other day I was on a street called Cochrane. Like, why is there a street called Cochrane? Then there's Dickens, Dick's Food, and Dick this, and Cochrane that, and Cock this. Like, these men, man, these men are crazy. Testosterone, too much testosterone. Like, when they start naming streets like this, it makes you wonder. Oh, it's barking. What's going on? You're giving me $7 towards my house? No, that's not enough. But because you barked over here, I'm gonna take an exit because I gotta upload my video. Thank you for reminding me, Uber. I barely moved, bro. All right, now the video has been exported. We're gonna go ahead and upload it. You can watch me because some of you are interested in my real-time content creation videos. All right, so this title is gonna be very simple. Back to back Uber rides are good. I'm gonna say profitable. Okay, there it is. I just kind of finished it off. You don't have to watch me type like a numbnut. And we're gonna go ahead and paste in my description. It is already memorized. It's in the clipboard right here. Boom. Now this video is ready to be uploaded, guys. This is how fast we do it. I'm gonna upload this. This is my second video, and now it's gonna go on my next channel also. We're basically gonna rinse and repeat, do the same thing again. I've already loaded my second YouTube channel up on YouTube. We're gonna go YouTube, and here I'm gonna change the title a little bit because if you've been watching my videos, you know this is how we do A and B testing. And if you notice, it's a little bit different, right? On this one, I wrote "Are back-to-back Uber rides profitable?" but I added quotations. Just change it up a little bit. And if you look over here, I've already adjusted a couple of hashtags too, so I mix it up a little bit. You want the hashtags a little bit different between each channel. You want the title a little bit different, and obviously the thumbnail, but thumbnail is gonna go up in a little bit. Now I've added it to the playlist. We're gonna say next, not made for kids, upload. There you go. 2 videos are already uploaded. The first one's already gotten, if you look right here, the first one from this morning's already gotten 5 likes, 5 comments, right? This is the second one that's going up. Now I'm gonna upload the third one. That's not gonna require any editing because I didn't make any mistakes. All right, third video is ready. We're gonna go ahead and upload it. Oh, I forgot to add the playlist. We're gonna go down here, add it to the playlist. This video is done. And again, remember, I'm waiting over here to allow Uber to give me another opportunity as I'm going home, right? Now you have 3 videos to watch today, and I'll update the thumbnails a little bit later. I'm gonna do the same thing to my main channel, and then this is the 4th video that you're on, that you're watching, where I'm teaching you real-time content creation. That video is gonna go up, and then I'm gonna start driving. There it is. 3rd video is done. I'm not gonna upload the 4th one. I'm gonna keep recording this one because now I'm gonna listen to some Pakistani music and go home. I got about 38 minutes to go. I gotta get some gas. And I gotta start packing. And this video is around 5.5 minutes long. Here's another pro tip. If you are doing videos for YouTube, you want them to be at least 8 minutes long, right? Any video that is 8 minutes long, it basically means you're gonna be able to advertise, you're gonna be able to get sponsors, and sponsors are gonna be happy because you'll have an ad in the beginning, they're gonna have an ad in the middle, you're gonna have an ad at the end, and that's money coming in your pocket, right? So we're at about 6 minutes. I got 2 more minutes of talking to do. And here is my Pakistani music or Indian music. Here we go. Just got some more gas. I'm about 20 minutes away from home. I gotta get gas one more time, and then basically I have enough gas to move to my new location. You can see it on the left hand side. Costco is $4.39. Oh, Costco is $4.39. It hasn't changed. A couple days ago it was $4.33, then $4.37, but today it didn't change. Oh, look, it's barking. What you got? You got something going home? Ooh, outside your destination. Why would you give me something outside my destination? This is why it starts to confuse you, because destination mode should only be giving you towards the destination. Actually, 2 of them popped up. 2 out here for $12 popped up. On a Tuesday, that's not bad. I would actually take $12 out here. I wouldn't mind. Especially if it was going towards my destination. Right now it's not, so I didn't take it, but any other day that was going towards Valencia. I don't remember where Valencia is. I don't actually remember, but if it was going towards where I wanted to go, I'd take $12 on a Tuesday. Like, you guys have to understand, like, your strategy has to change at the time of the day in the morning. It has to change in the afternoon. It has to change at night. It has to change with the events. It has to change with the holidays. It has to change with the supply and demand, right? And look at that bullshit. Driver destination has timed out. Guess what? This video is over, Uber. So I don't really care, right? Now I'm home. I'm still gonna leave the app on. Let's see if I can make it full screen. Yeah, destination has timed out. Yeah, right. But they're limiting it now. I swear, I remember we were able to do this for more than 2 hours. I don't think I've been driving for 2 hours.